The new Start screen in Windows 8 completely replaces the Start menu that existed in previous versions of Windows. Instead of icons, Windows 8 uses tiles to represent applications, also referred to as apps. The tiles on the Start screen can provide notifications. For example, the News tile shows updated headlines. Windows apps can work with your online accounts such as Facebook, Flickr, Twitter, and email to provide a better, more personal experience. Some of these apps are Photos, Music, People, and Mail. Use the Windows Store to get more apps. You can download free apps and even try apps before you buy them. Another new feature in Windows 8 is the charms that provide quick access to tools and features. Move the mouse pointer to the upper or lower right corners of the screen to display the charms for search, sharing, the Start screen, hardware devices, and settings.